In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the upload blocked error on OneDrive in just 5 minutes. This issue often occurs when there is a syncing problem between your local device and the OneDrive cloud. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve this error and get back to uploading your files smoothly. First, let's start by locating the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. This is usually situated in the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. The icon typically looks like a white cloud on a blue background or just a blue cloud. Once you have found the OneDrive icon, right-click on it to bring up a menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will open a new window where you can manage various options related to your OneDrive account. Take your time to explore the different tabs available here if you're curious about other features, but for now let's focus on fixing that pesky upload error. Next, go to the Account tab. This is where you'll find all the details about your OneDrive account, including the space available, the email associated with the account, and the link status with your current computer. In this tab, look for the option that says Unlink this PC. Click on it, and what this does is disconnect your current device from OneDrive temporarily. It's essentially like hitting a reset button for the sync process, without actually deleting any files from your cloud storage. After you have unlinked your PC, the next step is to sign back in. The OneDrive application should prompt you to enter your login credentials again. Make sure to use the same credentials that you were using before. Once you've successfully signed in, OneDrive should automatically try to sync your files. Give it a few moments to re-establish connection and start the syncing process. Now you'll want to keep an eye on whether the upload error persists. Typically this process helps clear out minor syncing issues, and your upload should proceed without a hitch. If the issue still occurs, another method you can try involves checking the Office settings. Open any Office application such as Word or Excel and navigate to the Settings or Options menu. Within these settings, look for a feature that allows you to manage how Office applications sync files. Specifically, you want to ensure that the option titled Use Office Applications to Sync Office Files that I Open is selected. This setting can sometimes help manage and resolve file syncing conflicts between Office applications and OneDrive. By the end of these steps, your OneDrive should be functioning correctly again, free of any uploading hiccups. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to explore more tips and tricks with us in the future.